everybody. It's me, Greg, from Greg Alan Walker. And then I have to say something to you that we're gonna go to the night market, and it's a little bit dark, and then so we're gonna first go to Tita Agot's house, Glenny Agot Bayoneta's YouTube channel. First, we're gonna go there. Then we're gonna go to the night market.
Wow, hello.
We're walking. We're walking. It's a little bit dark.
Wow.
It's dark because it's nighttime. And then, okay, there is a little bit light.
What are you going to
And then it's a little dark and a little bit bright.
Wow.
We are gonna go there to be with our family.
Yes.
At the night market.
I'm the nanay.
And then I am gonna have and then we too are planning to have a YouTube channel.
Oh.
And then this is gonna be now our YouTube channel.
Oh.
So we can have a lot of subscribers.
Wow.
And then I have a new member here.
Wow.
My nanay. And it's very dark here.
Dark again.
It's again dark. And then we're gonna go first and cut the video, please. And then here, we're almost here at Tita Agot's house. And then the bao-bao is there. And then, hello everyone. Hello. And then, this is Tito Clyde from the YouTube channel, Glenny August Bayoneta. Okay, say hi.
Hi.
And then we're going inside to Tita Agot's house to be here. Surprise! Hello! Say hello to the YouTube channel. This is Baby Azzy.
Hi.
And then this is Glenny August Bayoneta from the YouTube Glenny August Bayoneta. And then let's have a part 2 later of this day. Of this time. We're going to the night market. And then, so, we're just gonna go back. We're going to the night market. Bye. Please like and subscribe. Bye.